After the weather chaos of Saturday, it was nice to settle in today and just have some normal, almost spring weather. Kind of nice as we get you to tomorrow. A lot of clouds around to start. Temperatures will be in the mid-40s, which all in all is not a bad way to start off a late March day. Clouds will be continuing as we run into the noon hour. There could be some rain around. We'll be in the mid-50s. It'll be breezy as well. Showers will be more prevalent latter part of the day with temperatures into the mid-60s. And again, it stays windy, but at least it stays warm. So here's the MaxTrack Live Doppler, and we have been tracking a batch of rain coming out of western Kentucky. It is now in the I-75 corridor and continuing to move eastward. Heaviest showers right about High Bridge. You see another batch down very southern end of Garrett County. That's going to be clipping right around Berea, and just a good steady light rain for a lot of us. And here's how it's moved over the last 4 hours. Again, good steady pace to it as it comes across central Kentucky. You expand things out even more. Okay, we got a good slug of rain running from Illinois and Indiana all the way down to some severe storms in Texas. Now for us this week, we are switching to the mild side of weather, which has been a rarity this month. On the MaxTrack, we are tracking too much rain as we go through this week. We had heavy rain over the weekend mixed in with the snow and the sleet. The rivers are running high, creeks are running high, ground is pretty well saturated, so when the heavier rain comes later this week, there's just not a lot of places to put it. And in the 8-day, for the first time in, I can't remember when, there's no snow in it. So we may get through an actual week without having to worry about it. Now, it was a chilly day yesterday. We were just in the upper 40s, well below the normal, which is in the upper 50s. What's nice is by Easter, we're in the low 60s for our normal, and we'll actually be above normal here for a couple of days through the middle of the week. But let's take one last look at the snow from Saturday. We officially Lexington 3/10 of an inch. If you lived northern eastern sides of Fayette County, you likely got a little bit more than that 3/10. If you live near the Jessamine County line, you may not have gotten that much. Regardless, officially 12.2 inches. That puts us in 7th place, and we shall not move from that spot, but still a top 10 snowy March. And the number of days that it has snowed, 6 of them, where we've had accumulating snow, 1/10 of an inch or better. We are tied with 6 other years, most recently in 2013, we're tied there for 6th place. 52 right now at the Bluegrass Airport. And along with that, a south wind at 12, so it is breezy. Not much rain has fallen yet. As you look at temperatures, most of us running low into mid-50s here at 11 o'clock, which is, considering where we've been most of this month, not shabby. We've got high pressure heading off to the east. Winds are southerly as another low heads up into the Great Lakes. Warm front's going by tonight. As it does so, it introduces that milder air. Now, this cold front's just going to kind of sag our way. So as it does, you're looking at rain chances increasing first tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night especially, and then we get you out into Wednesday. The front's in the area. Thing is, there's another wave on the front, and so with it, the front basically puts the brakes on, and we'll see waves of rain coming up through the middle of the week, which could end up totaling quite a bit. We're forecasting 1.5 inches to maybe 2.5, 3 inches through the next 5 days. Since they're grown-ups, we figure they're still awake. These are the folks at Faith Fellowship Church. That's on Liberty Road in Lexington. We spoke to them on Saturday. Now for tonight. That was Weather 101 for grown-ups. Periods of rain and milder tonight. We're in the mid-40s. Tomorrow it's mid-60s. Under a variably cloudy sky. Some rain around. One batch in the morning. We may see another batch later, and then it'll be a windy day as well. Rest of your week, pretty wet. You are looking at temperatures in the mid-60s. And along with that, shower and thunderstorm chances are most likely as we look through the middle of the week. And Easter may see some showers again.